How we doing today, man? I got destroyed in the market. I got destroyed. I'm exhausted. I shouldn't have even traded today. Yesterday was my birthday, my 21st birthday. And yeah, I didn't get much sleep. Or I did get sleep, but like not quality. Not gonna blame that though. Was offsides in the market. Cannot lie, bro. I took a trade here, which I loved. 30-second trade. Hit my first take profit here. Got stopped at break even. And then I re-entered because I still liked it. I re-entered here on this 15-second when we got this. I thought it was a stop raid. Runs up. I got in. I probably should have gone break even when we got above these highs. I didn't. I took a loss. I took a big loss. I was live streaming today. Just completely crashing out on there. Trailed my stop. Thought this was going to soup. Thought this was going to soup. Just didn't soup. Just got destroyed. Lost a lot there. Then we took a long somewhere. I took a long here, I believe. I really liked it. An inversion order block. It actually worked really well. It's just that I had my stop loss. Conveniently had my stop loss right here. Got tagged. Should have had my stop here. Would have been fine. Would have had a winning day. Would have been even at least. Better things would have happened, right? Got stopped out there. Re-entered here. Took a small profit, right? Didn't take anything here. Came down. Stopped me at break even. I then just enter a short. I can't remember if it was here. I think here. Enter a short, and it was like just okay. We either print the short or we don't. And it didn't work. Just fully just gambling today. I mean, like we took setups, but like just got unlucky on a lot of them. Like today we just moved our stop. I didn't take any trades on the XFA account, so that's fine. But this is annoying because it's just like $800 is still good, but dude, just like every other time I've ever traded, I just do this, and I can't curse on this account on this YouTube channel. But oh my gosh, bro, like what am I doing? Just what am I doing, right? Yeah, man. I like. I'll be back. I'm not gonna be back for a while just because I have a cruise anyways. I leave tomorrow. I have so much stuff to do today anyways. Before that, like this is the least of my worries. But like this is where again, like if I would quit trading, it's days like this where it's just like, bro, I don't want to keep doing this anymore. I don't want to keep dealing with like today. Today was one of the most frustrating trading days I've ever experienced because just everything looked good and just nothing worked for me the way I wanted it to. Like this trade worked, but then I had my stop loss right here and got tagged out. Maybe bad placement, maybe not. I don't know. I don't really care. Um, just a really, just a really annoying day. Just a really annoying day. I mean, dude, like this short was printing for a little bit and then just could never get any room. I saw this, I'm like, bet, looks great. As soon as I think it looks great, it rips. I don't even know, dude. And again, like this, like I've already committed to the fact that I'm not gonna quit trading, and I know I can succeed. I know I will succeed. But these are the days where I like if I never show back up to the charts, right? I don't blame me because this sucks. Like this sucks, bro. Like this is just annoying. Like actually my worst day in weeks. I've made so much progress. And like I'm not gonna throw away all the progress I've made. I've gotten better. I even got better today in terms of like holding trades. Like I've gotten desensitized to losing a little bit more, like obviously. But it like oh my gosh, bro. It's just tough to be on the journey to profitability. It really is, bro. And like I always say, if I didn't make these videos, y'all wouldn't see this. So I don't I used to care about posting this type of stuff. Oh my gosh, what are people gonna think? What are people gonna say, bro? I don't care, dude. I don't care. Like I know my problem. I know my problem. I know my problem. You guys know my problem, right? It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science, right? It's just not. It doesn't take a genius to figure out what's going wrong. It's just, I gotta do better, bro. Oh my gosh. And this is like the first like crash out day I've had in a long time, bro. Long time. Yeah, I'm just exhausted, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. I have so much stuff to do. I have so many things to go to today and do. Oh my gosh, bro. This is the life that we want, right? This is what we want right here. This is it. This is what we signed up for. This is what we do it for, right? Oh my gosh, bro. I don't even know what to say. Like what have I not said 1,000 times? Right? What have I not said 1 billion times? Right? I don't know. Like there's nothing I haven't said, there's nothing I haven't done, needed to do. So it's just like, yeah, I mean I could sit here and talk all day about this. I could sit here and talk all day about these trades, what I did wrong, when I should have stepped away, how I should have done my risk management. Right? I could do it, sit here and explain it all. But here we are, right? Here we are. Right back to square one. Getting nowhere in this journey. Making no progress. I try not to be negative, man, but today is just a day where I just feel like being negative, dude. I can't think of it. I mean, I can think of positives, bro. I can. Trust me, I can. But I just don't want to. Right now. Later today, I'll be fine. Next week, I'll come back fine. But right now, dude, I just want to quit. I just want to never see a chart again. But I just want to disappear from life. But boo-hoo, right? Boo-hoo. Woe is me, right? Woe is freaking me. It's just ridiculous, dude. Oh my gosh, bro. Dude, I don't even, like, why would I even post this video? Like, is this what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing with myself? What am I doing with my life? What am I doing, dude? Genuinely, man, what am I doing? Like, what am I doing? What am I doing with at all? Like, oh my gosh, bro. Dude. I gotta freaking get the videos I'm gonna post scheduled. I gotta go edit them, throw them into Premiere Pro, sync them together, throw them on the schedule, think of a title, think of the days I'm gonna do it, the time, do all that. Then I'm done for the day. But gosh, bro. I don't even know if I'm gonna make any TikToks because I'm not gonna be able to make any for the week of the cruise. I don't even want to go on this dang cruise anymore, bro. I don't even want to at all. Just want to chill. I wish money wasn't a thing, bro. I just wouldn't have to make it. Could just do better things with my life. I have been getting so much better on the charts, though. Genuinely, bro. And even like today, dude, we just kept taking losses, right? But we didn't take bad trades. We took great trades that just lost, right? Like you took some bad ones at the end, took this inversion, right? We took some, like that was the only really bad one. But like other than that, bro, I liked everything. I loved this trade because we had a 15-minute gap. This looks so bullish to me, right? A 15-minute gap right here. We got a really quick flip. 30-second gap. I like this trade and it won. What should I have done? I should have just not re-entered this. That's the thing I always learn is don't re-enter. Don't re-enter the trade. Never re-enter. You didn't get stop rated. Sometimes you do and that's fine. I re-entered the trade here. And then instead of going break even on these highs, we should have been efficient. We shouldn't have slowed down and we dump and I get destroyed. And yeah, and that's life, bro. But that's where we should either end of the day. And then on this trade, we like, and again, it wouldn't have been that big of a difference in the P&L, but it just would be a big difference in terms of the mentality. But it's just like, bro, I didn't even take bad setups. I just didn't take winners. And like that's the thing. I can't have a horrible day anytime I don't win. Like it just can't happen that way, right? Like if I lose the first trade, my second trade loses too. Like I can't have it happen that way, bro. Like it can't be that way. It just can't be that way. And it is that way right now. So. Oh, dude. At least we locked the XFA account, bro. I recognize conditions were bad early. Very early. But yeah, man. How'd you guys do? We had a horrible week. Did I even trade my XFA account this week? Did I even trade this thing? No trades this week? Oh no, it makes sense. FOMC. Yesterday was sloppy. Today was sloppy. Pre-FOMC, really good day. Just didn't trade it here. And then don't remember Monday, if I'm being honest. Why does it always do this, bro? Come on. I'm in a horrible mood, as you guys can tell. I'm in a horrible mood. And I just, yeah. It's what depression feels like, I guess. Something like that. Or just whatever. Gosh, dang it, bro. So stupid. I'm so stupid, bro. No one to blame but myself, right? I mean, yeah, that's true. They're just so stupid, dude. Like, why, bro? Why? Just so disappointing. I was just banging my head into the wall over and 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 over again, bro. But hey, at least we got a nice YouTube video that's gonna probably do better than normal, right? Right? Cool. Cool. Let me take this opportunity there'll be more viewers, right? Let me take this opportunity. Hey, y'all boys use my code so you can have just as much fun as me, right? Buy yourself an Alpha Futures account. Buy yourself an Apex account, code Diego, right? Have some fun. Look, trading's so fun, dude. Let's all do it. Everybody go buy an account, have so much fun, right? It's so much fun. I had so much fun today trading, right? That's why you guys should go buy an account with my code. There we go. Gotta say it, man. At least maybe I can make some money from that, because dang sure can't make any money trading. I'm just so. Oh my gosh, bro, dude. Ah, why, bro? Why am I so bad? And again, man, I try. I like staying positive, and I will be. I'll bounce back. I'll bounce back. I'll bounce back. But we don't bounce that much higher than where we fall from. So it's just like an annoyance, right? It's just a speed bump or a roadblock in the journey. It's not gonna end the journey. It's not gonna stop me from being profitable. It's not gonna do any of that stuff. But it's just unnecessary, right? Like, and it's just annoying. Like, I don't want to try. Like, I don't want to come back from this loss. I don't want to, you know. Like, I don't want to. And dude, do we have an? I'm going to be so upset if we have an SMT at this high and we're just dumping now. Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, what is this, dude? If we just start ripping the rest of the day lower, it is what it is, bro. Oh, I don't know, dude. Like I said, I'm not gonna quit because of this. I'm not gonna, like, my day's not done, or like my journey's not done. But it's just like, why do I have to fail so many times, bro? Like, why can't I just know all the lessons already? Why can't I just know all the lessons, dude? I don't get it. Why do I gotta fail so many times? Why do I gotta do the same mistakes all the time, bro? But yeah, man, that's just life, right? That's just freaking life, dude. Isn't it fun? Aren't we happy we're here? So amazing. So amazing, bro. I just, yeah, I was so blessed. I'm so blessed, dude. I'm so glad I have this opportunity. So glad. I'm so glad, bro. Like, I couldn't think of anything better, man. I'm so glad that I hit that. What are the odds? What are the odds, right? What are the odds? What are the odds that we get born? Be born, right? I can't even hit a 1-to-1 every day. I can hit these odds. 1 in 400 trillion. I can hit the 1 in 400 trillion jackpot, but I can't hit consistent 1-to-1s. I can't consistently make money trading. Are you kidding me? Oh, I'm so happy I got that 1 in 400 trillion. Now I get to have so much fun every day, right? So much fun every day, bro. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. So glad, bro. This is so sick. It's so sick. 1 in 400 trillion. I'm so blessed, right? What would I do if I didn't hit the 1 in 400 trillion? Probably be chilling. I'd probably be chilling. I hope that we just chop the rest of the day so that I can just be like, I don't want to see any efficient price action the rest of the day. Oh, dude, what is wrong with me, bro? Why am I so dumb? Like I said, bro, like, it's so hard. Like, this is the hardest part, is like right where I'm sitting right now today in my thoughts, in my head, everything. It's like there feels like there is no answer. There feels like there is no solving it. It feels like all hope is lost. And it's like I've been here before, and I've been like I was the last 3 weeks, killing it. We're just doing better, right? Killing it for my standards, and it's like I've done it so many times. Like, I've never like fully gone all the way, but I know that I've been making progress. I know that the progress that can be made. So it's like I know I'll be fine. I know this is just a little blip. But gosh, is it so annoying, dude? Is it so frustrating? The lows are so low, man. It's so low. It's so stinking low, bro. And that's all it is, man. Like, that's straight up all it is. Like, it's fine, right? Like, I'm just gonna come back and I'm gonna keep trying and I'm gonna keep showing up. but where it's like when you do it and it's fresh, it just feels like the end of the world, man, and it's not, and it will be fine. At least Barcelona don't win a treble. So I would do this again if Madrid could win the La Liga this year. If they can beat Barcelona on Sunday, I would do this in a heartbeat. So I mean, again, doesn't just to put in perspective, right? It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world as much as it feels like it, but I will just ramble and ramble and ramble and ramble for the rest of eternity until whatever, bro. I don't know. So, yeah, it's not the end of the world. Right now, it feels like it. Right now, it literally feels like the end of the world, but it's not. It's not. It won't. It hardly will matter at all. It won't matter at all in a year from now. But bouncing back will, and we will. We will bounce back, bro. Don't you worry. And it's all good, man. It is all good. But appreciate you guys. At least the YouTube is growing. Right? But everything else, it is what it is. Appreciate it when I watch this video, man. You guys got to see just a crash out of a lifetime today. Especially when that was in the live stream. I was just can't even focus, bro. Alright, man. I'll see you guys after my dang cruise. Yay, right? So excited. So excited, bro. Can't wait for the cruise. And I have shorts on, so it looks like I'm just naked. I'm not. But, yeah. Kind of sad that this is the video at the end on before the cruise, but that's life, bro. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.